Cardiovascular disease, affecting the heart, is the #1 killer disease. Your arteries are the delivery route through which a continuous supply of life-giving oxygen travels. If these pathways are blocked or narrowed, your body starts to gasp for that supply of oxygen. Hence, a block or the narrowing down of an artery can cause serious consequences if not diagnosed, which can be fatal at times. Now let us look into some natural superfoods that are ideal for protecting you from heart attacks. 1. Nuts and seeds. A handful of walnuts provide your body with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, and macadamia nuts are high in fat, but it is a good fat that keeps your arteries clean. 2. Olive and flaxseed oil. Monounsaturated and omega-3 fats are lean and clean fats that keep your arteries clean and healthy, reduce blood pressure, and give your good cholesterol a boost. Use nutritional unrefined olive oil as a dressing or toss it with whole grain pasta for a healthy meal rich in omega-3 fats. These oils are good for heart disease and cancer prevention. 3. Avocados. Avocados are considered to be one of the best foods available to you, especially for your heart health. Eating avocados daily improves the ratio of good HDL cholesterol to bad LDL cholesterol. 4. Fatty fish. Oily and fatty fish such as salmon contain omega-3 fatty acids that help regulate your heart health and cholesterol levels. Omega-3s found in oily fish improve heart functioning by regulating the heartbeat, making aging arteries more flexible, helping block inflammatory processes, and restoring artery elasticity. 5. Spinach. Spinach is one of those foods that provide a host of benefits, and is a filling food at the same time. Spinach is rich in folate, which helps your heart stay healthy, reducing dangerous levels of homocysteine to ward off stroke and heart disease. It is rich in chlorophyll, vitamin K, and coenzyme Q10, which keeps your heart healthy. 6. Onion and garlic. Including onion and garlic in your diet every day will contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Garlic is rich in phytochemicals which can reduce hypertension. It improves coronary endothelial function by reducing pulmonary vasoconstriction. It increases the elastic properties of the blood vessels and increases peripheral blood flow. Onion can reduce cholesterol levels and purify the blood. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Drink a cup of warm water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar after a high-fat meal. The antioxidant flavonoid content in apple cider vinegar can reduce the harmful effects of high cholesterol diets. Consumption of apple cider vinegar can reduce harmful lipid composition in your body. It can effectively reduce LDL, triglyceride, and cholesterol levels, which play an important role in the formation of plaque in the walls of the arteries.